Welcome to the project demonstration of human following a robotic vehicle by using QR code. So the main application of this project is if you want to follow a person from the back side, means if the person is in front of this robotic vehicle is moving, then the system has to find the respective person to identify and recognize. We are using this QR code. So in real time, this QR code will be getting printed and placed on the back side of the shed, means on the back side of the person we place this. So when he moving in front of this robotic vehicle, so then the system will identify the first of all this QR code, then it will recognize the number from this QR code. After identification and recognition, the system will find the location of this QR code, whether it is a left side of the screen or right side of the screen or center of the screen. So if the person is left side of the screen, then the system will take the left direction, and the next right side, so it will take the right direction. And if it is center, then keep on moving forward till the person near to this vehicle. So with the help of ultrasonic sensor, so it will inform the distance of the particular person, means so when we are consider this is the person, those who wear this QR code back side of that. So if it is, so this side, then it will take this direction, and this side it will take this direction, and when it's center, it will keep on moving forward till the distance of this person is less than 1 feet. So when the distance is less than 1 feet, it stops movement. So for that purpose, we are for this execution of these features, we are making use of Pi camera to capture the image. For the image processing purpose, we are using Raspberry Pi 02W. So this is the Raspberry Pi 0W. We will capture the images from the Pi camera and scan the image and find the QR code and then extract the QR code number. Once the recognition successfully done, so it will place the particular person or object in center screen. To control this robotic movements, we are making use of L298 motor driver. So with the help of this motor driver, we are controlling the direction of this robotic vehicle. And next, when the person is coming near to the sensor, so that will be identified by this ultrasonic sensor to measure the distance of the so-called person. So if it is less than 1 feet, stop the vehicle movement. So ultrasonic sensor, this one is interfaced to this Pi 02W directly, and Pi camera. These two are the main input modules in our project. Output modules are L298 motor driver to control this two DC motors which we have placed over here. So we are using 30 RPM DC motors for controlling of this robotic vehicle. And this one is a breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply. So we are providing 12 volts power supply to the whole system. So we are using 12 volt 1.5 ampere battery pack which is rechargeable. So that 12 volts is the input power supply to the DC motors, but the operating voltage of our Raspberry Pi along with input output modules is a 5 volt. So in order to regulate the 12 volts DC to 5 volts DC, we are making use of this LM2596 voltage regulator. So with the help of this regulator, we will get 5 volts DC output. So directly the 5 volts DC output is input to this breadboard. From there we are distributing the through the input output modules directly, and the LCD display will show the status of obstacle detection. So whenever obstacle distance was there, that will be monitored continuously on the 16:2 LCD screen. So these are all about the features and the components and description of the project. So let us see the demonstration. So before demonstration, first of all, we need to keep the battery under charging at least of 4 to 5 hours. Okay, just connect the battery pack over here. Now on the power supply to this. So the light indicated will show the status of battery is charging. So it will take around 4 to 5 hours till the duration. Keep the battery under charging. So once the time completes, it's indication the battery is charged. Now we can disconnect this, and now just on the power supply to this cage. It's on off supply. So wait till the welcome message displayed on the LCD screen and ultrasonic sensor data will be displayed. If no QR code detected, the system won't control this robotic vehicle movements. It will take maximum 20 to 30 seconds duration to boot in, right? So we can see the welcome message displayed on the LCD screen, and object detection will be displaying on the LCD screen. You can see that. So if the object is near to this, then so you can see that. Okay, so let us check the output. Right, so we are placing here. So once it's detected, recognized properly, right, so it's left side, So I'm stopping over there. So once the QR code coming in front, then it stops moving. Start moving. Right. Okay. And let us check with the right direction also. Now let us check with the other direction. So screen should be unlocked. So while demonstration, the more lighting coming on the screen, then the system may not behave or according to the requirements. Right. So continuously the distance displaying on the LCD screen. When it is below 30 centimeters, means 1 feet nothing but 30 centimeters, so it stops movement. Right. So it stops automatically when the distance of the object is less than 30 centimeters. Right. Thank you.